Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and I was playing around today with the Extrude Tool and just found some different things that it'll do that I've never known before. So we're going to grab the Extrude Tool. I just picked this text. I'm going to grab the Extrude Tool. And when you do this, you don't have to worry about too much where you put your placement because there are some other things you can do. But first, we're going to change the color. And we're going to start by right here, and we've got black on black. But let's go black on blue, and then say OK. And now you have a blue extrude, but it's in lines, but it looks pretty cool. And then you can still move your handle, but instead of moving your handle, you can go to presets and you can go, I want it from the top. It'll take just a second for it to catch up to get that. Well, maybe the blue won't even be there anymore. Yeah, it just kind of did a new one. But grab right there, and then you can actually make whatever, if you want, we look at that, it did it blue and white. We need to grab the eyedropper and make it, let's go blue and black. And, it's a little bit time going by just the fact that it's having to do so much. But you can change the preset. You could have it come from the bottom. You could have it come from the top left. You could have it come from the top bottom right and just get totally different effects without having to drag that extrude handle around. That's all they're doing is making some sort of macro. But then you could still, tweak it and do it more or less. And, that which is the same thing up here. You could change that and make it go more or less. So just kind of play around with it, and you can make it go from big to little. But to get it, making it look like I had it just a while ago, let's actually put it on top and bring it where it's not quite so far. But the main thing I was going to show today is the change in the colors. And I just started playing around with this today, but you could go and pick a color out of the graphic. I mean, that looks pretty cool within itself, but we could change it to red. And so the first color is going to go from, and then the other color is what you want it to, and let's put yellow. And it takes a little bit of time because it's having to work so hard. But that's actually the font color. Or really it's not, it's kind of the blend, and we can make the font color well, I don't know if that's even possible. I think the font has to be, if we pick the font, then you can make it red. Takes a little time, because, if you can imagine the graphic that's going on there. But that looks pretty cool, in a print on a t-shirt, like I said a lot, us laser engravers don't get to do with some cool colors. But it even, on a different font that wouldn't have these little lines, per se on top, just on the corner. But the curved lines make it look kind of cool. And as always, what I like about the Extrude Tool is being able to move it around, and make it, I use this a lot to move it around and have it come from a different direction. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. And thank you for watching.